vacation abroad. And we believe planning your next trip should be a beautiful and inspiring experience. According to Google Insights, this past November, the top 3 most important features for selecting travel were price, convenience, and past experience. This, however, was very interesting for us because when we did our market research, we saw that most travel agents send their travel plans by emails or PDF. This is a huge problem because emails, as we know, sometimes go unread. PDFs are a hassle to create. There is no customer engagement. Plans are typically 20 to 30 pages long, and it's a huge loss of productivity. And they look like this, which is plain boring. Current model, the travel agent searches a big SaaS provider for data like Sabre, selects the best rates, manually then creates a PDF, sometimes even having to resort to Google Images to find better images for the hotels and their accommodations, and then sends an email to the client. Why isn't this working? There's time wasted, there's no automation, slow decision making by the customer, and there's an increased risk of client turnover. It just loses interest or goes somewhere else. We want to create a solution about sending travel plans as a unique and interactive web app. We have created a demonstration for you. This is a unique and inspiring experience full of visual and appealing way to demonstrate what your travel plans can look like. You can view and approve your trip schedule online. You can even comment on your reservations, which is part of the engagement that we want to have. Perhaps you want to ask, is it a kid-friendly hotel, or can I take my pet here? Or you might want to even change the reservation online by selecting another hotel, or other accommodations, or other flights. Again, we believe that the key to this is to have a rich visual application that is unique for every customer. The new model, travel agent will search for what they normally do in Sabre, or the data provider that they have. They select the best rates. This will then create and be able to publish seamlessly to the itinerary, to the web app. And then they send a unique link that lives on the web. Why this will work? We believe this will increase customer engagement. It's a unique user interface. It reduces trip planning time and increases conversion rate. Business model. Key assumptions. Travel agencies are willing to pay SaaS subscription. They already do this with their big data providers like Sabre. Travel agencies are willing to move their data to our servers. Value propositions. Improve client conversion rate, simple user interface, improves information flow, and reduces trip planning time. Our key partners, the travel agencies, cloud providers, tourism associations, and trade publications. Cost structure, in no particular order, are legal fees, data security, cloud infrastructure and maintenance, developers and operation staff, fees per transaction, and marketing. Key activities, continue software development, sell product to travel agencies, create industry buzz, and access to industry APIs. Key resources, human resources, are cloud services, Sabre and other data platforms, and of course capital. Customer relationships, personal data desk, personal service desk, and a semi-automatic workflow. Channels, Salesforce, Amazon Web Services, and online sign-up. And customer segment are travel agencies, industry data platforms. Our revenue stream will be subscription-based, implementation, and transaction fees. Lessons learned, well, during this time, we pivoted 3 times. That was due to our going back to industry partners and going back to travel agencies. And we discovered that group travel is too crowded of a marketplace. That's what they excel at, and they have no pains there. Niche group travel didn't have enough traffic. We didn't generate enough interest. And what kept coming back to us is their delivery of their basic knowledge, right? All the work that these travel agencies do to create the perfect trip